So I got this stuff here because my laundry machine is starting to be like kind of gunked up and even sometimes give off a slight odor. So decided to wash our washing machine. So I unwrapped one of the pods. This is what they look like. You're supposed to just put this in there with nothing else, just empty like that, and then start it up. So it says to do it on the largest setting, so heavy duty cycle, that'd be the largest setting this one has, and to do it on, so yeah, okay, so hot, just like that. So we're just gonna start this up, and we'll see how it does. It is gonna make a little bit of a noise as it kind of rolls around in there, but that's to be expected. There's no clothes, so you hear that pod tumbling around.
We ran this washing machine cleaner fluid, and now we're supposed to just wipe it down. I will say there was some stuff, yeah, at the bottom of here, and I had tried to get it off before cleaning this with the cleaner, like just with the, it's better. It's not perfect because we really were overdue. It is better. This has been really, really gross for a while, and I had tried wiping it off before, and I got all of it off that I could. It smells cleaner in here. Some stuff's coming off that wasn't coming off before. I'm not sure a lot. It does smell better. I think what I've learned is that I probably need to do this regularly and not just once in a blue moon, and I'd run out of stuff.
The package says once a month.
Yeah, I had not done this probably in 7 months. So yeah, I recommend you don't let your machine look like ours, but if you do, it has made a difference. It's not a miracle, but it has made a difference, and I will be using these once a month, and then I'll be buying more. My machine smells better. It was smelling a little funky.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.